Good morning, grade one. How are you? I miss you so much. So today we have a special invitation for you as we are getting close to the end of our unit about how we express ourselves. So Miss Mac, Miss Souza, and Miss Oliveira prepared a very special video to talk more about this invitation. So it's very, very important that everybody see this video. Okay, guys? To see this video, you need to come here in the bottom of the email and click here on celebration video. Then you understand more what they're talking. I'll let as a surprise for you to see at your house. But it's very important for you that you see this video, okay? Another reminder, every Tuesday, Miss Vicky will guide library time on Zoom with storytelling. It will be from 11:30 to midday. We know you already have many activities to do, so this library time is completely optional. If you can and if you want to join, here is the link. You need to click here on this link in Zoom, and then there is an ID to type and a password here. Now let's check the activities that we have prepared for today. First activity will be a read aloud, listening and discussion. You will listen to a very nice story called The Dot. So first thing you need to do is open this video here that is written The Dot. Then you listen to this full story. And the questions today to discuss will only be after the story. So first question after you listen to the whole story. How do you think the story is going to continue? What can we learn from this story? Do you think you are an artist? Can anybody express themselves through art? So try to think on these questions after you listening to this story and try to share your opinion. Now after you discuss these questions, there is also another thing to do in this activity. So we know that different people can express themselves in different ways, and an artist turned this book, this story, into a song called The Dot Song. So we also give you here the video, so check this song after you listen to the story. The song is about the story. It's called The Dot Song. But first you listen to the story, okay? Then we will have an arts activity about paper cut sculpture that is related to shapes and to our maths lessons. So today you are going to create a paper cut sculpture and we'll put your 3D shapes knowledge into practice. So there is a slide presentation here. You need to click to open. There is also a video that Ms. Mac explains what you need to do on this activity. And there is also another link here called 3D Shapes List, which you can open, and there are some examples of 3D shapes that you can do your sculpture. Okay? Now the next activity we have today is a PE activity called Let's Move. So to this activity you need to see the instructions on Seesaw. So let's come here. Then you click here in Activities, where there is a lamp. And you'll see this activity, Let's Move. So first thing you need to do in this activity is watch the movie Ms. Ana Paula has prepared. Let's watch together because I'll help you to read what's written in the movie. So, ready to exercise? Get 5 sheets of scrap paper and place them on the floor with some space between them. If you don't have paper, use books or cushions, for example. And there go your tasks. So first task, jump over the 5 sheets of paper, back and forth. Second task, move on zigzag very fast. Do not step on the paper. Third step, now go crawling or sliding as a snake. Try not to touch the paper. Let's see who can do it. Fourth step, look Miss Ana Paula, jump over the sheets as a frog. Touch your hands on the floor. Now the last step, try to jump 3 sheets of paper or 2 sheets of paper. Now Miss Ana Paula sets a final challenge for you. Can you do what she's doing? Don't worry if you make a mistake, don't give up. It's very important to try one more time. So let's try. You can also see the video again if you want to see. Then we'll have another activity, a music activity that Ms. Moema has prepared. It's called Beethoven Emoji. So you need to go back to the email, and there is a link to listen to Beethoven Fifth Symphony. You click on the link, and after you listen to the symphony, there is here an activity on Seesaw to do. You need to draw and label an emoji that represents how you feel when you listen to Beethoven's Fifth Symphony. So you need to tap here, Add Response. And then you need to tap here in Drawing. And then you can draw your emoji, use different colors, and you can also write a label describing this feeling. After you finish, don't forget to click here in the check so Ms. Moema can see this activity. And the last activity we have today is our Google Meet, Grade 1X at 1:30 and Grade 1I at 2:30. Today we'll be with Ms. Oliveira and Mr. Cato that have prepared a Portuguese activity for us. And that's it, guys. We hope you have a great day of learning, and if you have any questions, you can contact us. Bye, Grade 1. I miss you.